Alright everybody, welcome to KwhonlyeMotorcycles channel. This is Berne. Today I am going to be discussing the gears that I wear for my winter ride. It is getting cold out there, so a lot of people are not going to be riding. There's still a few people that still ride out there. I just haven't had a chance. I usually ride all year round, even during the winter when I used to live in the DC area. So, but since I've been in North Carolina, I just have been with family and all that stuff. So it's like I just haven't had time to ride, but I still ride here and there. But these are some of the gears that I use that I have right now that I wear during my winter ride. And maybe if anybody is new to ride a motorcycle and you don't know what kind of gear that's going to be you will need to keep yourself warm. I do have some few gears that might give you a little bit of idea of what you might need. Before I start, if this is your first time viewing the channel, subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for all my subscribers and the like, the comment. I really appreciate that. Thank you guys. But yeah, also don't forget to check out my other channel, KwhonlyeMotorcycles channel for my 2024 Kia EV9. Also check out the accessories videos that I've had for my LiveWire S2 DelMar. So check those accessories out and the videos for that. So with all that being said, let's go. All right, so one of my winter gear that I recently purchased not too long ago is this puffy heating jacket. It is really good. I loved it. I bought it either off AliExpress, or I believe I bought it off AliExpress. I'll post the link in the description. The only thing is you have to watch the size. So because they are made out of Chinese size, so if you select large, that means it's probably like a small size, which is okay for me because I selected large, but the way it looks like it's a small size. You can wear it inside another jacket, another winter jacket, which I'm going to show you that. If you want to wear this just on the outside, yeah, I recommend that you up it maybe one or two extra sizes. That's what I would say. But it is really comfortable. It has a cord inside that you can USB cable that you plug in your power bank into it, and it works. It usually will keep you. I mean, it will keep you warm. Just letting you know that, and I really like it. Just let you know. And you have the setting as I was showing you that the red lights will show you that that's hot. At some point it will change to like a blue, a little bit of white or so. Maybe there's like cooling, and also the blue is like just to keep it cool. So just let you know, you can always change those settings. And this for the arm, the front chest, the back. I think it's like 4 settings. So I have to look at, but I believe that's what it is. And it feels good. You will get really warm really quick. And the inner part of the jacket, that's where the power bank battery goes to. You zip that up, and you zip up your jacket, and you are good to go. And it keeps you really warm, as I said. And I also have a little bit of hoodie. It has a hoodie as well, which I removed, which I don't need that. So it felt comfortable. So let me go ahead to the next gear. And another gear that I have is an overall made by Walls. I bought it at Walmart a few years ago. I've had it for a long time, and it keeps me warm whenever I'm riding. Especially, you want to keep your legs warm. You don't want to get, while you're riding, because that wind chill will hit your legs so bad that, your legs going to feel numb. So it is very comfortable. Now, I don't know whether they still make this or not. Maybe you might be able to find out Walmart, but there are other overalls that you can find at Walmart. They're very cheap. I think I bought it like $49 back then. So I'm not sure, but you can check out Walmart or other ones. I believe this one is like something similar to like a snow ski. So just it is really good. I know that for a fact. It's very lightweight as well. It's not that heavy. It's very easy to come, and it's very compact as well. And also, I do have this other jacket, denim jacket, that I bought at Walmart. I'm a Walmart shopper. I don't know if everybody, but I do find a lot of stuff at Walmart that's like, man, maybe I should go ahead and buy this. So I bought 2 of them. One is like a army green, and the other one is like orange. And I bought 2 of them. It has a hoodie as well, so I wear that underneath, and it keeps you warm. It keeps you safe. If you slide, if you accidentally fall, it will still protect you from road rash. You might get that. It might get torn up and stuff, but it will still protect you. Now, the jacket doesn't have a protective pad, so you probably have to get an aftermarket one. Or you get a motorcycle jacket that has all in one, the jacket and the protective pad. So also you will need to get a ski mask. It's like a wool ski mask, facial ski mask, and that will protect you from the wind chill hitting the helmet and keep your head getting too cold. and feeling numb, because you will get to that point, especially if you have a bald hair and you don't have no hair in your head. That's even worse, and that could get you sick if if somebody that's not used to getting exposed to cold weather, so that might end up getting you sick. So you don't need that. So that kind of I believe I bought that off eBay. But I will try and post a link in the description so that if you guys are interested in that, I will get one. I'll put that over there on the description. So and this is what I put on whenever I ride during the winter time. I put on my helmet. My helmet's not heated, but hey, it is still a great helmet. So and the last one that I have, it is the winter glove, and this one I bought it off, I believe I bought it on eBay. It's been a while ago. I bought 2 of them. I always buy at least two each items whenever I buy, just to see how it goes. If they like it, that would be great. And this one is called Thinsulate. It is good when it comes to winter. It could be better, but it does its job. Now you cannot use it with a smartphone or whatever and stuff. That's not going to work, but but it works. It does its job. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like the video. And I will see you in another one. If you have any comment, leave that in the description. If you want the links that I posted and none of them are missed, the link is missing, let me know so I can get you another link. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. See you in another video. Stay safe, ride safe. Bye bye.